Kelly Henry of Kelly's Cuisine, and today I'm going to share with you my go-to recipe when I'm bombarded by hungry teenagers. And that's at least once a week. I always make spicy potato wedges. It's quick and easy to make, it's filling and so nutritious. Now let's go over the ingredients. We use 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes. Make sure the potatoes are nice and round. These are local potatoes from here in Barbados. You can use your potatoes from wherever you are. A 1/4 cup of cooking oil. You can use either soybean oil or olive oil. I personally prefer to use soybean oil. This is really important. We need a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs help to give the crust that we're going to get on the outside of the wedge. We're going to get some cilantro leaves and some parsley flakes. These also aid with getting the desired crust that we want. And my favorite ingredients, the spices. We're going to get a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of curry, a pinch of salt, and to add the heat, we're going to get a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You may use any other spices that you want, but these are the spices that I prefer to use to get the spicy potato wedges. The potato is so versatile. You crush the potato, you get potato mash or creamed potatoes. You slice the potato thinly, you get potato chips. If you julienne the potato, you get French fries. But today, we're going to cut the potato into wedges. So to do this, I'm going to cut the potato in half. You see, 2 perfect sides. Then I'm going to put it flat side down. I'm going to cut each side in half again, so we have quarters. And then I'll take the quarters and I'll cut them in half again. For those math students out there, we're going to cut them in eighths. It's going to look like this. We're going to leave the skin on, so make sure you wash the potatoes and pat it dry before you start to cut. And we're going to end it with a perfectly sized wedge, just like this one. Now it's time for our mixture. We're going to add everything together. So we take the breadcrumbs. We're going to add in the cooking oil. We're going to add the parsley flakes and the oregano leaves. We're going to get everything all in there. And the spices. The cayenne, the curry, the paprika, and a pinch of salt. We'll get everything in there. We're going to mix it until it's combined. If it seems to be a little dry, we'll add a tip more of the oil until it's perfect. If you realize that your potatoes are large, then make sure the mixture that you have fits the amount of wedges that you've made. So sometimes you may have to tweak the measurements, add a bit more or add a little less, just to make sure they cover all of the wedges. Now it's time to get our potato wedges into the mixture. So I'm going to pour them all in. Now that we have our wedges completely covered in the mixture, we're going to put them on a greased baking tray. We're going to put them down skin side and just line them up uniformed as much as possible. It just looks neater that way. We're going to bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. Once they're finished baking, I'll come back and show you exactly how it looks, and then we'll see exactly how it tastes. Our potato wedges are now done. The only thing left to do is to taste. Now you can use any type of dipping sauce that you want, but for me, I'll use a simple ketchup. Let's see. These are good. It's easy to make. You need to try it.